Now that the sticks, whoa, is good and stuck, whoa, whoa, it's time to start prepping the staircase even more. First thing we're going to do is we're going to start filling all these cracks, the bumps and imperfections. So we're going to start off with a little bit of wood filler from DAP. This stuff's going to be perfect. It's going to act just like wood. It's not going to shrink. So we're going to fill some of the treads and risers with that. We're also going to take some regular filler, some flexible DAP filler, and we can use that on some spots we want to make extra smooth, like the trim and the side stringers, etc. Last but not least, we're going to be using some of this exterior DAP caulking. This stuff is good for flexible spots. So when you're filling big gaps that you don't want to crack, we're going to use some of this exterior filler because this is a high traffic area. We want that extra protection.